and welcome back to my channel. In this video, me and my family headed back on the Carnival Panorama.
Okay. All right. Right, we're on board the Panorama. One more trip, one more family vacation before it's back to the job. Okay, so I'm here in the Panorama. I ended up getting a single room this time. I've never gotten a single room. Usually I get like a double occupancy room and then I just have them push my beds together, but this room is for single cruisers only. So I'm gonna give you a look at that. It's so different, it's totally new. Starting from the door, when I come in, it's just the bed against the wall. You get the same desk. You get a smaller amount of closet space because it's just you. But I mean, this is nice because it's just me, so this is all I need. And yeah, it's very open concept. I still have my cooler in there. And then the bathroom is the same size. But yeah, only difference is one bed, less cabinet space, more room for activities and things. There's a lot of Halloween things going on, so it's really fun for the kids right now, and I've kind of bombarded their room, which they have decorated as Dr. Seuss, which is going to be a whole nother event that I'm going to show you guys. But we're getting ready to go trick-or-treating. She doesn't know that yet though, so we will see you at the party.
Are we going trick-or-treating on the cruise?
Perhaps. We shall see.
Yeah! But don't tell me yes or no, it's a secret.
It's a secret. You're so cute. Are you gonna go to the party?
That's where lead us? To the party, Mommy?
Nice. Oh, it's so cute. I got it.
Okay, the first place that we're going to is the bike.
Got it.
You have the map.
Onward!
Alright, so your deck is dance like a skeleton with a broken bone. Can you do that? Yeah, you go dance. Yeah, your deck,
We did it!
Good job.
We did it!
Alright, let's go. Alright, let's go eat something.
After all the kids completed their scavenger hunts and got their reward bags, they were having this really cool pumpkin carving competition out on the deck, and there were some really talented pumpkin carvers.
All right, we're heading to the Halloween deck party, and we're all decked out in our animals. I don't think a unicorn is an animal, but what? Let's do this.
At the Mega Deck Party, Carnival hosted 3 different costume competitions. One for single adults, one for single kids, and the third one was for group. My family lost, that's okay. It was still a really fun party. Look who won the kids though, isn't it cute?
our way to Sky Zone to jump and play, baby.
Wait, yeah.
No, you get.
Because my niece is 5 years old, she was still under the toddler time qualification, so this was the time that we could go on Sky Zone. And for her, it was $5. For me, it was also $5, and socks were included. During toddler time, they had toddler appropriate music playing. There were balls and blocks for them to throw, and they were really soft so no one would get hurt. There was the balance beam. They weren't actually allowed to climb up on the rock climbing wall, but aunties were invited to jump as well. And then finally, they could try to get up this swinging ladder, and adults had to help them get up. And yeah, she really enjoyed her time there.
Hunt down our parents who we think are at Red Frog, and then Autumn's trying to talk me into going into the water park. Not happening today. Not happening.
We did end up locating our parents, but they weren't at the Red Frog. They were at karaoke, which is one of the many fun activities that Carnival offers during the day. And after that, we all got in line for the Sky Ride. You know, we always have to try the Sky Ride. And then after that, we went for a late lunch in the dining room. And of course, you know my family is always going to dance with the staff.
We just arrived in Puerto Vallarta, and we're getting ready to get off the ship and see what we're gonna do. Everything is just being winged today. We have no plans.
Hello. Well, we just stopped at Mexico. So now we're gonna go to the beach. It's gonna be so fun. We're not gonna be able to play in the water though because there's kind of like sharks, but fine because we're gonna have the best time ever. Make sure you enjoy your cruise. Bye.
We ended up booking a bus, and now we're just kind of on a city tour, and we just stopped over here where this little side street of shops are, and we're stopping to see the view, and then we're going to continue on. I think we're going to the beach today, like the baby said.
Oh, look at that. Look, they're in the water down there.
Beautiful view. That's the beach I want to go to right down there, but he said that that's usually where the locals go. There's no restaurants or anything down there, but it's so pretty and the water is so clear. Once again in a big old bus all together. Okay, Corinne, I see you, girl. I'll see you. I see you, girl. Woo, we always need a big old bus when we go on vacation.
Like this.
As a part of our tour, we were taking on a tequila tasting, and it was really fun. I put the name right here for you. Our tour guide was Caesar, and if you do get him, just make sure that you have a sense of humor because he can get a little bit spicy.
All right, we made it to the tequila tasting. I'm here for tequila and tequila only. He said all the drinkers to the front, so I'm sitting front row. Let's go. Aw, she likes you, Autumn.
I really enjoyed this tequila tasting. Not only was Caesar fun, but we tried about 6 to 7 different types of tequilas.
Salud. What the fuck?
That was smooth.
You hit me. You knocked my shot out my mouth.
All right, you guys, comment below and tell me whose fault you think this is. My brother's in denial, but I think it's his fault, and the family is split. So tell me whose side you're on below.
Arriba. Abajo. A centro. Pa adentro.
Down, center, enter.
Salud.
Wow, that was the smoothest one. 1942. That's the smoothest one.
Ugh.
Beats the crap out of 1942.
Yes, Caesar.
on chest hair right there. Alright, this that scorpion over there.
I got the syrup.
Okay. After the tequila tasting, we didn't feel pressured at all to buy any bottles, but we did. And after that, we piled back into the van to go get us some tacos. Okay, we went and stopped for some tacos. Finally, Pepe's Tacos. After our tequila tasting, tacos and tequila, you know they go together. Yeah. So I'm ready to eat.
They would really change it after years of doing the same.
We're almost ready. We're almost done, but we jumped back off the ship real quick to come get massages, and we're just waiting our turn. And we will make it back on the ship exactly at 8:30 and head out to our next destination. Our last and final port was in Cabo San Lucas, and this was a very short port from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m., so all we did was spend our time at the beach.
Welcome to Cabo San Lucas. You ready, hon?
There aren't many places to sit at this beach. Most people were bringing out their towels and things like that. So we went up to the restaurant with the flags that you see in the corner. And if you just order a drink or an appetizer, you can sit at the table for your whole time at the beach. All right, we are out of here. We did a day at the beach in Cabo, and now we're all crazy looking and hot and standing, and we're heading back. So I am on my way to the Carnival VIP party. We're getting ready to go do the gender reveal that my brother and sister have no idea about. It's gonna be a big surprise, and Matthew and the crew helped set it up, so we're so excited. I can't wait to show you guys what they had planned. So the gender reveal was 100% my mom's idea. All she did was get together with the cruise director and they spoke about it. Since we were going to the VIFP party anyway, she had this great idea to do the gender reveal here, and everybody was on board. It was perfect. They had no idea.
It's a boy or a girl. So drum roll please, everybody. Drum roll please. Okay, here we go in 3, 2, 1.
If you're interested in seeing the gender reveal, I do have it posted on my channel and you can see the entire thing. But thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Make sure you leave any questions that you have for me below in the comment section and stay tuned for the next video.